What's up guys, Kyle from Exclusive Auto Works here with another project. We've got a full nose that we are doing to this Mercedes-Benz. It's an AMG GTR. It's a 2018. It's already got the stealth paint. So we are doing the full nose in STEK's stealth film, which is a pretty good one-for-one match. So there's really no need to have to worry about matching for the rest of the vehicle because the finish is almost exactly the same. So we are going to be pulling this apart in the front here, removing the badge, taking off all the side badges as well. And we're gonna get prepping and get this thing ready to go. And there you have it. We've got the finished product of this AMG GTR with the full nose paint protection film done in STEK's new stealth film. It's a little bit cheaper alternative, but just as good quality. We've got the full bumper, hood, fenders. We did the headlights in gloss as well as the mirror caps in gloss. And as you will see in a moment, it is quite a perfect match for the factory finish of the stealth. So it all meshes, it all goes good. That way it saves him money and having to do a full vehicle and still gets to protect the major impact areas of this truck. It's a car, it's not a truck. And as you can see, there's virtually no difference here. So there is PPF on the fender here and not on the door. And there is no difference here between